everyone. Today we are embarking into the world of homemade flour and gluten-free alternatives. Please get ready to discover why ditching store-bought white flour can be a game changer for your health and how milling your flour fresh at home offers amazing benefits. Plus, we'll explore gluten-free options like buckwheat, legumes, blackrice, and various millets, including amaranth, sorghum, barnyard, and foxtail millet. Before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. The information I share in this channel is based on my personal studies and understanding. Please always consult your dietitian or doctor for medical advice before you change your diet. Let's first talk about the benefits of milling your flour at home. Mass-produced foods often prioritize long shelf life over nutritional value. During the refining process to obtain white flour, the germ and bran, which are the fiber and nutrient-rich parts of the wheat kernel, are removed, leaving only the high-carb endosperm. This process increases the shelf life of the flour, but strips away vital nutrients from the wheat kernel, which are then potentially partially restored artificially, resulting in a less nutritious product. However, milling your own flour at home can give you lots of gluten-free grain options that you can use to create minimally processed flour. However, please remember to keep your homemade flour in the fridge to maintain its freshness as it is minimally processed. The first benefit of milling your flour at home is nutrient retention. Freshly milled flour retains more nutrients, including vitamins and minerals, compared to store-bought flour. When I visited villages and homesteads in my childhood, I have noticed people storing wheat berries in their pantry home instead of flour, which now I realize is a wiser option. Second benefit is better taste and texture. Like any fresh food, freshly milled flour has a superior taste and texture, enhancing your baked goods. Third benefit is that it has no additives or preservatives. Home milled flour is free from additives, bleach, fumes, and preservatives found in commercially processed flour. The fourth benefit is that it is cost effective. Over time, milling your flour can be more economical, especially if you buy grains in bulk. It can pay off the investment you've made to your grain mill. With advancements in technology, flour mills can become a staple addition to your kitchen as low-cost options are widely available. Please remember, no amount of money saved is worth compromising our health. Fifth benefit is that it offers customization. You can mix different grains to create unique flour blends tailored to your dietary needs and preferences. Another benefit of milling your flour at home is reduced carbon footprint, as you can buy grains in bulk, which can preserve freshness over longer time. Now, let's unravel the mystery of gluten sensitivity. If you have any autoimmune condition, insulin resistance, or skin issues, please join me as I share my understanding on the effects of gluten. Gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, can cause a range of issues for some people. While celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder that damages the small intestine, is well known, easy to test, and has more obvious symptoms, non-celiac gluten sensitivity is less understood, and it is hard to detect, but can also lead to significant chronic health problems over time. Gluten behaves like glue, becoming quite sticky in the small intestine. This can cause inflammation and damage, leading to digestive issues and potentially exacerbating autoimmune diseases such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis, psoriasis, and rheumatoid arthritis. Dr. Amy Meyer's article, which I've linked down below, explains the connection between gluten and autoimmune diseases. Many people with conditions like Hashimoto's thyroiditis, rheumatoid arthritis, and multiple sclerosis have found relief by eliminating gluten from their diets. Gluten can trigger inflammation and increase intestinal permeability, worsening autoimmune disorders. Dr. Myers recommends going completely gluten-free as a crucial step in managing these diseases and reducing symptoms. Going gluten-free is not that difficult, as there are numerous nutrient-rich and high-protein alternatives that will keep you full longer. Additionally, some people with autoimmune disorders and gluten sensitivity may also react to dairy. The milk protein casein can mimic gluten in the body, triggering a similar immune response. So if you still feel off after going gluten-free, try eliminating dairy as well. Remember, lactose intolerance, which is the inability to digest lactose sugar in milk, is different than from casein sensitivity. The casein percentage is more in the cheese as compared to milk. If you really like dairy, opt for goat milk and instead and resort to homemade yogurt. I think butter is okay as well in moderation. If you really like dairy, opt for A2 grade organic options which are not ultra pasteurized or homogenized. Now let's explore the wonderful world of gluten-free grains. These nutritious alternatives are packed with flavor and health benefits. Number one in the list is that buckwheat. Despite its name, buckwheat is not related to wheat. It's a seed and part of the pseudo-cereal family alongside quinoa and amaranth. Naturally gluten-free, buckwheat is fantastic for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. It's rich in resistant starch, promoting gut health, and contains higher levels of minerals like magnesium and copper compared to wheat. Plus, it boasts rutin and antioxidant with heart protective benefits. Number two in the list is black ancient rice, also known as forbidden rice. This grain is high in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, giving its dark color. It's a good source of fiber and iron and protein, supporting digestion and overall wellness. Number three in the list is lentil and mung dal. These legumes are packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are easy to digest and can help detoxify the body, improve heart health, and support weight loss. Number four in the list are millets. For example, barnyard millet is high in fiber and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. It's excellent for digestive health and controlling blood sugar levels. I will show you how to make a breakfast cereal with barnyard millet at the end of this video. Another high-fiber millet is sorghum. It is rich in antioxidants, which helps reduce inflammation and supports heart health. It's gluten-free and a great source of protein and fiber. Amaranth is another popular millet. This pseudo-cereal is high in protein, particularly lysine, which is an essential amino acid. It contains calcium, iron, and magnesium, great for bone health and muscle function. Going dairy-free should not lead to a calcium deficiency if we opt for calcium-rich seeds like sesame, tahini, and millets such as amaranth. We just need to educate ourselves beyond what is popular and widely available in the stores. Foxtail millet is known for its mild, slightly sweet flavor. It cooks faster than other millets and is rich in vitamins and minerals such as thiamine and B1. Switching to these gluten-free alternatives can offer numerous health benefits such as improved digestion, increased energy levels, protection from type 2 diabetes, and better nutrient absorption. When I make my flour out of these gluten-free options, I mix it with a store-bought blanched almond flour and baking powder to give it a more fun taste. In conclusion, adopting a gluten-free diet with nutritious alternatives like buckwheat, quinoa, legumes, and millets, along with milling your flour fresh at home, can significantly benefit your health. I mill one bowl every other week to maintain fresh flour at home, which I keep in the fridge. Now let's make a delicious breakfast cereal with barnyard millet. Barnyard millet is a fantastic alternative to traditional wheat-based cereals like Cream of the West, which is farina-based. It's higher in fiber, iron, and essential minerals with a low glycemic index, making it great for managing blood sugar levels and shedding that belly fat. Barnyard millet is naturally gluten-free and contains more protein than wheat farina, providing essential amino acids. Here's a simple recipe for a nutritious breakfast cereal. Ingredients are 1 cup of barnyard millet. Please soak it overnight. If you rinse it, you can give the leftover water to your plants. They will love it. 4 cups of milk or a dairy-free alternative, a pinch of salt, sweeteners like honey or monk fruit extract, which is optional. Toppings such as fresh fruits, nuts, or seeds. Here are the instructions. First, rinse the soaked barnyard millet thoroughly. In a pot, bring the milk to a boil. Add the millet, seeds of your choice, and a pinch of salt. I usually add chia and hemp seeds to my cereals and cakes. Reduce the heat and let it simmer, stirring occasionally until the millet is cooked and the texture thickens with bubbles. This process should take about 20 to 25 minutes. Sweeten to taste with your monk fruit extract or honey after it cools down to room temperature. Please remember, honey can lose its nutrient content when heated. I also add cinnamon. Cinnamon is a wonderful spice to control blood sugar level. Serve this cereal topped with your favorite fruits such as blueberries, strawberries, nuts, or seeds. This gluten-free, protein-packed breakfast cereal provides sustained energy, making it a great start to your day. Thank you for joining me today. Your support motivates me to continue providing valuable health and wellness content, and I hope to see you again soon. Until next time, take care, stay healthy. Bye.